Shawna. It is the night before Thanksgiving. I should be making a cheese ball. However, I'm not. Instead, I'm doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. And I have no idea what I'm getting. I don't think I requested anything. My last box was pretty good. I got the jeans and there was a couple other cute things in there, but I just ended up getting the jeans. I'm really looking forward to seeing what I got this time. It's a decent sized box. Hopefully something fun, maybe something I could wear for Thanksgiving, like sweatpants. All right, let's get to opening. Okay, my return envelope. Here is my style card. Let me look who my stylist is. It's Alicia. It's been Alicia. I'll read the note in just a moment. And here are the prices. We'll look at those at the end. Oh, I got a couple bundles in here. What is this? Oh, it's a purse. Let's look at that. Oh, that's cute. I never get purses, and I really like a nice purse. I am a sucker for a purse, actually. So it's kind of a wallet. It's just like a little purse, but then it has a crossbody strap that comes with it. Oh, that's really fun. Like just enough room for your phone and some cards. I really like that. Oh, that'll depend on the price. You could always use a black purse. Okay, here's the bundle. Some maroon, cream, maybe some stripes. Okay, let's dig in. That looks pretty fun. Let's see from the other side. Okay. Okay, so the first thing are these maroon super stretchy pants. They're by Democracy, and I love this wine color, and I love colored pants, like colored denim, and that is so cute. I did just buy a pair of this colored pants though from Evereve, and so I don't know if I need these, but my gosh, they look really cute. They're the Absolution high-rise ankle length. So, oh, mold and hold. I could use some holding. Molding and holding. All right, well, I'll try those on. They're really soft. Ooh, look at this fuzzy sweatshirt. Oh, that's fun. It's like a half zip fuzzy sweater. Or sweatshirt. I don't know what you would call this. It's not exactly teddy bear, but it's got quite a fun texture to it. So that could be fun, and that would be really snuggly for Thanksgiving. So we'll try that on. Oh, here is another like little soft, thin knit, I don't know. It's by Olive and Oak. It has kind of this fun color. I kind of have something similar to this with elbow patches, but this is super soft and could be really fun and cute and casual. So I'll give that a try. I like blue and stripes, so it's good so far. Okay, so this is also a real thin sweater. It's a mixed material, so the front is like a silky thin polyester, while the back and the arms are like a oatmeal knit. It's quite thin, which I don't mind. I don't know, it could be cute on. Could be really cute on. All right, let's try these on and see what we think. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and the teddy bear sweatshirt is really soft and adorable and fun. I'm kind of digging it. I like the light cream color. I like the little loopy fuzziness on it. It's really comfy and snuggly and casual, and it's pretty fun. It'll depend on the price. There's lots of cute sweatshirts out there right now that are like this, so it might depend on the price a little bit. so the pants are super cute too. I like the lengths. I like the look. Tell me how you think they fit. They're all stretchy. I just bought some like almost exact same color, so I'm a little bummed, but I will say the only issue I have with these pants is that they're kind of, I don't know how to describe it, they're that kind of polyester scratchy. Like they're comfy in that they stretch, but it's like maybe slacks that have too much polyester in them and they just aren't super comfy against your skin. I don't know, does that even make sense? But they're kind of rough against my skin. So I think I probably made the right choice. The other ones were cut from the cloth. And again, they're this same cool wine color. These are really cute and I like them. I just don't need them. I just got this other pair, but the sweatshirt's adorable. So, okay, I will go try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Yes, it's nighttime. Yes, I'm drinking coffee, and yes, I will sleep like a baby. I'm from Seattle. I'm so cliche. Okay, so here's the next shirt. It's so soft and fun and comfy, and it fits great and looks great. What do you say? It has, it's not a hood, it just has this kind of, I would say, more cowl neck with the strings. It's a fun blue color. It's really soft and great. No complaints. It's cute. It just depends on the price, right? I do have something kind of similar to it, but it's really great and I would wear it all the time and I wear the other one a lot too. So I like it. Okay, we'll try on the last shirt and be right back. Okay, here is the last shirt. And I like it actually more than I thought it would. It's kind of a good neutral. It looks good with the pants. I think it would look good with dark denim, even light denim, black pants. It's a little bit dressier than probably I need, but this is really soft and silky, and then the sweater part is just really soft and snuggly too. I think it lays really well. It's flattering. And cute. Huh, that'll depend on the price as well. Yeah, it's cute. I like how it lays. And the pattern's kind of fun and simple with the little black, I don't know, little black diamonds on it. I don't know, tell me what you think about this. I have really mixed kind of feelings about it, but it fits well. So I don't know. Okay, let's look at the prices. I'll be right back. Okay, it is time to look at prices. All right, I did read my stylist note and she's still on the hunt for some black jeans for me. And she said she did finally find some, but they were $130 and knew that I wouldn't spend that much on them. And so I thought that was really thoughtful. And then she just put some comfy things in for fall. So I think she did a good job. I liked everything. So now let's see if I can justify buying them. Okay, so the last thing I tried on, the mixed material top, it's a medium and it's 46 bucks. That's actually not that bad. It's by Laylis. Yeah, I don't recognize that brand, but 46 I think is a really reasonable price. So that's cute. Oh gosh, that's in the maybe pile. Okay, you're not supposed to be that easy. The next one is the cowl neck olive and oak blue knit shirt, and this is 54. It's a little high, but not totally unreasonable. It seems really high quality, very soft, and something I would wear a lot. Darn it, why are they making this so hard? Okay, that's a maybe too. Okay, the next is Urban Expressions Kaylee Quilted Clutch. Oh yeah, I'm getting this. It's 44. I love a purse, and I love that it can be a clutch, and I love that it can be a crossbody, and I just really love it, and I like to buy purses. Done. Okay, the Democracy skinny jeans are, why? Why? They're 68, which that may be a lot for some people, but those of you who get Stitch Fix know that all jeans are 88. And this is like on sale, and of course I already have some jeans almost exactly like them. And let me tell you, I spent more than $68 on them. All right, well, they're really cute, but I can't justify buying this exact same color jeans, even if they're super cute and a good price. Probably. Okay. And then the last thing is by Teeberry and Weave. It's the Sherpa fur little sweatshirt in off-white, and it's 64. So man, that is a really tough call. There's a lot of, well, I call them teddy bear. There's a lot of teddy bear sweatshirts out there. Is this the one? I don't know. I'm torn. You guys are gonna have to help me. I definitely am going to get the purse and maybe just one of the shirts, but then which one? The Sherpa sweatshirt? It's real casual and cute. The striped shirt, the mixed material one is cute, but I probably wouldn't wear it as much, even though I really like it. Ugh, okay, you guys have to help me. Okay, so the total for the box is $276 minus the 25, the buy 5 is 69, and then minus my styling fee, the whole box would be 187. That's not actually bad at all. So I need to get the whole thing. Man, this Stitch Fix math gets ya. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Give it a thumbs up if you liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again. Bye.